feel your hubs. I feel my hubs are warm here, so that tells me I should start looking. That's a sign that something's wrong. So if I step back here, oh yeah, right there. That's my problem. That's it. Good. Fuck it. Okay. Coming in hot. Okay. All right, so there's a lot of crappy companies out there, and a lot of dumpster fire trucks. So I just want to show you guys proper pre-chip here. So what you do, feel your lugs. Yeah, it's cold. Tires are good. Feel your hubs. Feel your hubs. I feel my hubs are warm here, so that tells me I should start looking. That's a sign that something's wrong. So if I step back here, oh yeah, right there. That's my problem. That's it. Whoops. All right, just coming to work here, starting to do my pre-trip, and man, I don't know what's going on, but my truck is not good. Okay. I know there's a lot of new drivers out there that are starting out and not quite sure about the really important things you got to do on your pre-trips here. So I just want to help you guys out how to tell if you're working for a company that you got to be cautious of. So what you want to do, so I'm going to go through a couple pre-trip things to look at for you guys to notice. What you want to do here is check your lugs, check your lugs here. Check this. If your hub is warm, it's because you probably got something else going on. So you have to come back here.